On this day, I had some troubles with the Tower of Hanoi problem. In simple terms, it's maths puzzle where we have, for example, A, B, and C towers with different disks with different value. And our goal is to place a disk from tower A to C. Yeah, sounds easy, but we have rules that make it not easy. First rule, only one disk can be moved at the time. It means we can take two disks and move to another disk. Second rule, you can move the disk that places on top of another disk. Rule number 3, the disk can be placed on top of another with smaller value.
Solve this puzzle help us our function top. It takes number of disks and name of rows. Now let's break down our function. We start with disk number 1, the smallest one. We move it from row A to row C. Imagine it like sliding from A to C. Cool, right? Next, we move disk number 2, the medium-sized disk. But wait, we can put it directly on row C because it's bigger than disk number 1. Okay, so we need to use row B as a helper. We move disk 2 from row A to row B, and you can see all steps in our notepad. Then we put our disk 1 from row C to B row. Now comes the existing part. We move disk number 3, the largest disk, just like before, and we can't put it directly on the row C because it's bigger than both disk 1 and disk 2. So we use row C as a helper this time again. Not again, but yes, we use plus helper. We move disk 3 from row A to row C. Amazing, right? And we need to give some space for disk 2, and we shift our disk 1 to row A. But we are not done yet. We still have disk number 2 on row B. Remember, it's a medium-sized disk. We need to move it to row C. This time we use row A as a helper, and disk 2 slides from row B to row C. And our last move, disk 1 from row A to row C. And there you have it. All these disks are now on row C, just like we wanted. We solved the Tower of Hanoi problem for n equals to 3. Thanks for watching, check the links below the video, subscribe and like, and share your feedback. Good luck!